Good morning to my dear students. Welcome back to Atmiya Green School. Today I start with Standard 9th History, Lesson 5, When People Rebel, that is 1857 and after. Students, I had already completed its explanation. Okay, so we start with page number 52. We will discuss its question answers. Page number 52, activity of your page. Imagine you are a sepoy in the company army advising your nephew not to take employment in the army. What reasons would you give? Answer: the pay and other allowances in the army are very low. There is also discrimination between the British soldiers and the Indian soldiers regarding pay scale. The British do not have any respect for Indian religious sentiments and beliefs. The service conditions in the army are very harsh. Thus, it is not easy for the Indians to cope with it. There is a chance that Indians may be posted outside India, but this is against Hindu religious sections to cross the sea and to go to Europe. Page number 55, activity. What were the important concerns in the minds of people according to Sitaram and according to Vishnu Bhat? According to Vishnu Bhat's were, the British were determined to wipe out the religions of Hindus and Muslims. They made a list of 84 rules and announced these. Then according to Sitaram Pandey, the seizing of Oudh was the main reason of Sepoys' resentment. The cartridges used for the new rifles were greased with the fat of cows and pigs, and both Muslims and Hindus will be defiled by using it. Okay, मतलब कि these were the games that were played by Britishers. What role did they think the rulers were playing? What role did the sepoys seem to play? Both Vishnu Bhat and Sitaram Pandey believed that the British ruler did not care for the religious sentiments and beliefs of both the Muslims and the Hindus. The colonial ruler wanted to convert all Indians into Christians and exploit them to fulfill their own interest. The role of sepoys. The date and plan for the war of religion was circulated among the sepoys and they were ready to start the mission. In May 1857, the sepoys mutinied in several places of India. ये पूरी स्टोरी मैंने आपको सुनाई हुई है अबाउट द ब्रिटिशर्स और कैसे उन्होंने इंडिया को कहा अपनी आर्मी नहीं बनाना है बट इंडिया की भी आर्मी को अपने अंदर इन्वॉल्व किया है और जो भी उनका खर्चा वगैरह था वो टैक्स या रिवेन्यू के थ्रू पूरा किया था. पेज नंबर 58, एक्टिविटी. Why did the Mughal emperor agree to support the rebels? रेबल यानी जो अपने ही देश के लिए अपने ही लोगों के साथ गद्दारी करे. मुगल एम्पर क्यों एग्री हो गए? The rebel soldiers were determined to bring an end to the rule of the British in the country. They wanted Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar would rule the country instead of the British. Triumphant soldiers gathered around the walls of the Red Fort and demanded to meet the emperor. At first, the emperor was not quite willing to challenge the British powers, but the soldiers persisted and proclaimed Bahadur Shah Zafar as their leader. The aging emperor had to accept this demand. He was against the repressive policies of the British and wanted to end the British rule. Write a paragraph on the assessment he may have made before accepting the offer of the sepoys. Bahadur Shah Zafar accepted the offer of the rebel sepoys. उसके क्या रीज़न था कि उन्होंने क्यों एक्सेप्ट किया? He did not accept the disrespect the Britishers showed to him and his families. All the communities, including Muslims and Hindus, were severely exploited by the colonial rulers. Mughal emperor wanted to avail the opportunity of the army's help and gave his public support to the rebellion. Make a list of places where the uprising took place in May, June and July 1857. That is Meerut में हुआ था. On 9th May 1857, 85 sepoys in Meerut were dismissed from service and sentenced to 10 years in jail. क्यों? As they refused to do the army drill using the new cartridge which was suspected of being coated with the fat of cows and pigs. पता है ना आपको ये इसमें मंगल पांडे का was the first martyr. You know this ना? Then Delhi. As the news of the arrival of the rebel sepoys of Meerut spread, the regiments stationed in Delhi rose up in rebellion. Bahadur Shah Zafar was declared as the leader of the sepoys. The emperor wrote letters to all the chiefs and rulers of the country to come forward and organize a confederacy of Indian states to fight the British. Then on page number 62, what was the demand of Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi that was refused by the British? Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi wanted the East India Company to recognize her adopted son as the head of her kingdom after her husband's death. This demand was refused by the company, जिसकी वजह से झांसी की रानी लड़ी थी. ये मैंने आपको बताया ना, एक्सप्लेन किया डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ लैप्स क्या होता है. What did the British do to protect the interest of those who converted to Christianity? In 1850, the British passed a law to allow Indians who converted to Christianity to continue to inherit the property of their ancestors. In this way, this law protected the interest of those who converted to Christianity. जो लोग ब्रिटिशर्स के बात मानते थे, टर्न टू क्रिश्चियनिटी, उनको बोला गया था कि आप अपने अडॉप्टेड बेटों को या इनहेरिट कर सकते हो, लेकिन जो इनकी बात नहीं मानते, जो इनसे रेबल करते हैं, वो भी फिर एक स्ट्रिक्ट रूल उनके लिए रख देते हैं. What objections did the sepoys have to the new cartridges that they were asked to use? The sepoys raised the objection that the new cartridges they had been asked to use were greased with the fat of cows and pigs. It was a great insult to the religions of Indian sepoys, the Hindus as well as the Muslims. It also appeared to the Indian soldiers that the aim of the Britishers was to convert all the sepoys into Christianity. How did the last Mughal emperor live the last years of his life? The last Mughal emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar was tried in court for supporting the revolt against the British and sentenced to life imprisonment. He and his wife Begum Zeenat Mahal were sent to prison in Rangoon in October 1858. Bahadur Shah died in the Rangoon jail in November 1862. What could be the reasons for the confidence of the British rulers about their position in India before May 1857? Since the mid-18th century, Nawabs and Rajas had gradually lost their authority and honor. Residents had been stationed in many courts. The freedom of the rulers reduced, their armed forces disbanded, and their revenues and territories taken away by the stages. The company decided to end the Mughal dynasty in 1849. Governor General Dalhousie announced that after the death of Bahadur Shah Zafar, the family of the king would be shifted out of the Red Fort. In 1856, Governor General Canning decided that Bahadur Shah Zafar would be the last Mughal emperor, and after his death, descendants would be recognized as princes. फिर मुगल डायनेस्टी नहीं होगी, प्रिंसेस प्रिंस जो क्रिश्चियंस में होता है. What impact did Bahadur Shah Zafar's support to the rebellion have on the people and the ruling families? Bahadur Shah Zafar's support to the rebellion had a significant impact. Threatened by the expansion of British rule, many of the ruling families felt that if the Mughal emperor could rule again, they would be able to rule their own territories once more under Mughal authority. When people saw an alternative possibility which appealed to them, they felt inspired and enthused. It gave them the courage, hope and confidence to act. That is, many regiments joined other troops to points like Delhi, Nagpur, Lucknow. Nana Sahib proclaimed himself Peshwa and a governor under Mughal king. Birjis Qadar, son of the deposed Nawab Wajid Ali Shah in Lucknow, acknowledged that he ruled under the Mughal king. In Jhansi, Rani Lakshmi Bai joined the rebel sepoys and fought the British along with Tatya Tope, the general of Nana Sahib. How did the British succeed in securing the submission of the rebel and landowners in Awadh? They tried and hanged a number of rebel leaders who had challenged their authority and could do so again in the future. They tried their best to win back the loyalty of the people by announcing rewards for loyal landowners. They were assured that they would be allowed to continue to enjoy traditional rights over their lands. Okay. Then the rest question is that is students have to do on their own with the help of their that is not that important. We go to next, that is MCQs. The British regained the control of the country in the year 1859. The mutiny started from Meerut. When was the act transferring the power to rule India from the East India Company to the British Crown? It was 1st November 1858. What was the objective of the new law passed by the company in 1850? It was making religious conversion to Christianity easier. What was the reason for the hanging of Sepoy Mangal Pandey? For attacking his officers. Where did Bahadur Shah Zafar die? In Rangoon. Where was Nana Sahib living when the mutiny started? Near Kanpur. Who was the son of the deposed Nawab Wajid Ali Shah of Awadh? He was Birjis Qadar. When was Lucknow recaptured by British forces? 21st March 1858. Which of the following changes was not made by the British after the revolt was quelled? That is, the Hindus were treated with suspicion and hostility, being responsible for the mutiny. We go to very short answers. What measures of the British were resented by the zamindars and peasants in rural areas? The high taxes levied by the company and their inflexible methods of revenue collection were resented by the zamindars and peasants in rural areas. What laws regarding women were passed by the British? Laws outlawing the custom of sati and encouraging the remarriage of widows were passed by the British. Who was Tatya Tope? Tatya Tope was the general of Nana Sahib who fought the British along with Rani Lakshmi Bai. 1857 में एक बहुत बड़ा रिवोल्ट हुआ था जहाँ बहादुर शाह जफर, रानी लक्ष्मी बाई और भी तात्या तोपे और भी काफ़ी लीडर्स लोगों ने उनके खिलाफ आवाज़ उठाई थी. What reason was given by the British for taking over the rule of the territory of Awadh? The British declared that the territory was being misgoverned and British rule was needed to ensure proper administration. उन्होंने कहा कि अवध की टेरिटरी किसी से संभाली नहीं जा रही है, हमें हैंड ओवर करो, वी विल सी टू इट्स टेरिटरी. What were the pleas of Rani Lakshmi Bai? Under the doctrine of lapse, law made by the British, adopted sons could not inherit their ancestors' right. What was thought by the kings and princes called to Calcutta as the reason for the British formulating the 84 rules? The kings and princes called to Calcutta thought that the 84 rules were formulated so as to wipe out of the religions of the Hindus and Muslims. To end the Mughal dynasty, what was the first step taken by the company? The company very first removed the name of the Mughal king from the coins minted by the company as the first step in ending his dynasty. What was Maulvi Ahmadullah Shah's prophecy? Ahmadullah Shah, a Maulvi from Faizabad, prophesied that the rule of the British would soon come to an end. मतलब उन्होंने एक ये प्रोफेसी बोलते हैं ना, एक मतलब उनको पता चल गया था कि ब्रिटिशर्स का रूल बहुत जल्दी ख़त्म होने वाला है. After the revolt was quelled, why were the powers of the East India Company transferred to British Crown? To ensure a more responsible management of matters related to India. Name at least 5 major centers of the revolt: Meerut, Delhi, Lucknow, Jhansi, Kanpur, Faizabad and Bareilly. That is Meerut, Delhi, Lucknow, Jhansi, Kanpur, Bareilly and Faizabad. Then are the long question answers, that is important question answers of this lesson. What do you think was the main cause of the uprising against British rule in India? Who were the Indian sepoys employed by the company discontented? What reforms did the British introduce in Indian society and what did the people of India feel about them? List the steps taken by the British to reform their army after the rebellion was suppressed. Then we go to its miscellaneous questions. Fill in the blanks. On 10th May 1857, the soldiers marched to the jail in Dash and released the imprisoned sepoys. कौन थे वो? मेरठ के soldiers. Nana Sahib, the adopted son of Dash, pleaded to the British for pension. That is Peshwa Baji Rao II. In 1856, Governor General Dash decided the Bahadur Shah Zafar would be the last Mughal king and his descendants would just be called princes. Lord Canning. On 29th March 1857, a young soldier Dash was hanged to death for attacking his officers in Barakpur. He was Mangal Pandey. और आपको पता है क्या हुआ था उस टाइम? वो काउ एंड गोट्स के कार्ट्रिजेस के ऊपर उनका बीफ वो लगाया हुआ था, एंड दे वर फोर्सिंग द मुस्लिम्स एंड द हिंदूज टू यूज़ दिस, वो कार्ट्रिज को ऐसे मुंह से तोड़कर ऐसे फेंकना था बॉम्ब्स को. सो मंगल पांडे ने उनके खिलाफ आवाज़ उठाई और ही वॉज द मार्टर. ट्रू और फॉल्स? मेरठ वॉज वन ऑफ द लास्ट एरियाज to be recaptured by the British. False. The British were happy after the 1857 revolt. False. After the revolt was quelled, the powers of the East India Company to govern India were transferred to Queen Victoria. True. Rani Lakshmi Bai was defeated and killed in April 1857. False. Nawab Wajid Ali Shah had been deposed by the British before the mutiny started. True. We go to match the columns. Ahmadullah Shah, Faizabad. बख्त खान कहाँ पे रहने वाले थे? ओके, बरेली. बेगम हजरत महल, लखनऊ. बेगम जीनत महल, दिल्ली. बहादुर शाह की वाइफ, बहादुर शाह जफर की वाइफ. गवर्नर जनरल डलहौजी, कैलकटा. चीफ कमिश्नर हैरी लॉरेंस, अवध. कुंवर सिंह, बिहार. मंगल पांडे, अवध. नाना साहेब, कानपुर. रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, झांसी. ओके, लेट मी एक आपको मैं स्टोरी सुनाती हूँ. उस टाइम में दोज डेज एक मतलब मेमोरी है, एक सूबेदार सीताराम पांडे, उनके बारे में मैं आपको सुनाती हूँ. सीताराम पांडे वॉज रिक्रूटेड इन 1812 एज अ सिपाही इन बंगाल नेटिव आर्मी. ही सर्व्ड द इंग्लिश फॉर 48 years and retired in 1860. He helped the British to suppress the rebellion, though his own son was a rebel and was killed by the British in front of his eyes. On retirement, he was persuaded by his commanding officer Norgate to write his memoirs. He completed writing in 1861 in Awadhi, and Norgate translated it into English and had it published under the title From Sepoy to Subedar. Here is an excerpt from what Sitaram Pandey wrote. It is my humble opinion that this seizing of Oudh filled the minds of the sepoys with distrust and led them to plot against the government. Agents of the Nawab of Oudh and also the King of Delhi were sent all over India to discover the temper of the army. They worked upon the feelings of sepoys, telling them how treacherously the foreigners had behaved towards their king. They invented 10,000 lies, jhoot, and promises to persuade the soldiers to mutiny and turn against their masters, the English, with the object of restoring the Emperor of Delhi to the throne. They maintained that this was wholly within the army's powers if the soldiers would only act together and do as they were advised. It chanced that about this time, the Sarkar sent parties of men from each regiment to different garrisons for instructions in the use of new rifle. These men performed the new drill for some time until a report got about by some means or the other that the cartridges used for these new rifles were greased with the fat of cows and pigs. The men from our regiment wrote to others in the regiment telling them about this, and there was soon excitement in every regiment. Some men pointed out that in 40 years' service nothing had ever been done by the Sarkar to insult their religion. But as I have already mentioned, the sepoys' minds had been inflamed by the seizure of Oudh. Interested parties were quick to point out that the great aim of the English was to turn us all into Christians, and they had therefore introduced the cartridge in order to bring this about. Since both Mohammedans and Hindus would be defiled by using it, the Colonel Sahib was of the opinion that the excitement, which even he could not fail to see, would pass off as it had done before, and he recommended me to go to my home. Sitaram Pandey, from Sepoy to Subedar. Okay, मतलब कि ये सिपाही टू सूबेदार बने बिकॉज ये दैट इज इंग्लिश को वो 48 इयर्स तक वो उनके लिए सर्विस करते रहे और वो रिटायर हुए 1860 में. उन्होंने इंग्लिश को जैसे हिंदुस्तान रेबल करता है ना, मतलब वो ब्रिटिशर्स के साथ थे, इंडियन होने के बावजूद ब्रिटिशर्स के साथ थे, लेकिन उनका जो बेटा था ओके वो एक रेबेलियन था और उसको उसके सामने ही ब्रिटिशर्स ने मार दिया था. अब एक इंग्लिश तो बंदा था नॉर्गेट, उसने उससे कहा कि आप अपनी पूरी स्टोरी लिखो फ्रॉम सिपॉय टू सूबेदार, क्या क्या हुआ, आपने कैसे मतलब कि ब्रिटिशर्स का साथ दिया, सब कुछ इनको पता था, इनके सामने हुआ, फिर भी वाई. सो जब उन्होंने लिखा अवधि में ओके और ब्रिटिशर था नॉर्गेट, उसने इसे इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट किया ओके और टाइटल दिया फ्रॉम सिपॉय टू सूबेदार. और ये जो मैंने पढ़ा है दिस वॉज रिटन बाय हिज हैंड फ्रॉम सीताराम पांडे ने ये सब लिखा हुआ है कि कैसे मतलब कि वो लोगों ने इंडियन सिपॉइज को मतलब कि अपने अंदर उन्होंने एंट्री रिक्वेट किया, फिर किस तरीके से उन्हें सारी प्लान चलते रहे, वो चाहते थे सब लोग क्रिश्चियनिटी में बदल जाए एंड मतलब कि उन्होंने ये जो बीफ का था कि वो कांटे जिसके ऊपर लगाया था वो जानबूझकर लगाया क्योंकि हिंदूज़ के लिए भी वो बुरा है और मुस्लिम्स के लिए भी वो था. सो मतलब कि सारा उन्होंने उनके खिलाफ लिखा था, उसमें लिखा हुआ था और दिस वॉज ट्रांसलेटेड इन इंग्लिश बाय द नॉर्गेट. ओके Okay, so I had discussed a lot of question answers in this lesson. Please students complete your books and also read the text. Daily you read one lesson of history or geography or civics. And आपको जिस किसी के भी question answers you want, please do let me know in my personal WhatsApp. आप मुझे बताइए and I will give its question answers in your group. आपके ग्रुप में दे दूंगी मैं. ओके ओके आपके ग्रुप में मैं भेज दूंगी. और इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट इन एनी क्वेश्चन आंसर आपको नहीं मिल रहा है, प्लीज़ डू लेट मी नो. ओके और विच एवर लेसन का आपको क्वेश्चन आंसर्स दिए हैं दैट इज यू वांट, तो आई विल give you that. Okay, whatever whichever lesson के आपको you want to question answers I will give you. Okay, ठीक है. So with this I wrap up my class here. Thank you to all. See you in my next class. Take care.